You have two NumPy arrays and you simply want to add them together. But when you run the code, you get this classic shape mismatch error. Operands could not be broadcast together with shapes 2, 3, 3, 2. It looks confusing because the numbers 2 and 3 are present in both. Let's visualize exactly why NumPy rejects this operation. Here is array A. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. The actual values are 1, 2, 3 in the top row, and 4, 5, 6 in the bottom row. Shape is 2, 3. Here is array B. It has 3 rows and 2 columns. Values 10, 20 top, 30, 40 middle, 50, 60 bottom. When we try A plus B, NumPy attempts to align them element-wise. It checks the trailing dimensions first. Array A has 3 columns, array B has 2 columns. 3 does not equal 2, and neither of them is 1. Because they don't match, NumPy cannot broadcast or stretch them. It crashes immediately. We need the shapes to align perfectly. We need to rotate array B so it matches array A. In linear algebra, swapping rows and columns is a transpose. In NumPy, we simply access the T attribute. Let's apply. Set array B and see what happens. The first column, 10, 30, 50, becomes the first row. The second column, 20, 40, 60, becomes the second row. Now the shape of BT is 2, 3. Let's bring array A back. Shape 2, 3. Now the dimensions align perfectly. 2, 3 matches 2, 3. We can update our code to result equal sign A plus BT. NumPy adds them element by element. 1 plus 10 is 11, 2 plus 30 is 32, 3 plus 50 is 53. And the second row, 4 plus 20, 5 plus 40, 6 plus 60. The error is gone and we have our valid results. So remember, check shapes first. If they are swapped, use TOT.